How to send a PDF file on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can send a PDF file on Messenger. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. Now, if you wish to send PDF file on Messenger, unfortunately, Messenger doesn't give you any direct option to do so. But there is a workaround, or the way around you can call it. What you can do is you can simply head over and install the Google Drive. So if you have Google Drive on your device, you can simply open it up, or if you don't have, install it, open it up and log into an account. Now here what you can do is tap on the plus icon here at the bottom of your screen and then tap on the upload option, and once you tap on upload, you want to select the file, the PDF file that you wish to upload, right? Then you want to upload it. Once you have uploaded it, you can simply tap on the three dots option beside the file here, and you can see the manage access option. Tap on manage access, and now here this will be by default on restricted, right? Then you want to switch to anyone with the link and then save it. Once you have saved it to or set it to anyone with the link, then you can tap on three dots there, and you can now copy the link and head over to your Messenger, and once on Messenger, open up the chat that you wish to share the PDF file to. Once you have opened it up, simply paste in the file and then send it, and now they'll be able to get the PDF file through the Google Drive link. So that's pretty simple, right? This is how you can easily send PDF file on Messenger. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.